The blinking green light on your Nintendo Switch dock is a common issue that frustrates many users, but understanding what it means is the first step to fixing it. This blinking light usually indicates a power or communication issue between your dock and Switch console. It's important to understand that the blinking light is a symptom, not the root cause of the problem. Your first check should always be the AC adapter. The Nintendo Switch dock requires the official Nintendo power adapter that outputs 15 volts at 2.6 amps. Third-party chargers often cause compatibility problems. Next, inspect your power cable for any visible damage. Look for kinks, cuts, or bent connectors. A damaged cable can cause intermittent power delivery that triggers the blinking light. Now verify all connections. Start by cleaning the USB-C connector on both your Switch console and the dock using compressed air. Dust and debris commonly cause connection problems. Finally, check your HDMI connections. Verify the HDMI cable is properly connected to both the dock and your TV. Make sure all cables are firmly seated in their ports. Loose connections are a common cause of communication failures. These initial checks resolve many blinking light issues. Start with the power adapter, inspect your cables, clean the connectors, and verify all connections are secure. If the light continues blinking after these steps, you may need advanced troubleshooting. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the blinking light, these advanced steps can help identify and fix the underlying issue. First, test your dock with a different TV or monitor. This helps determine if the issue is with your display device or the dock itself. Next, try a different HDMI cable. Cable failures are common and can cause intermittent connection issues that result in the blinking light. Ensure your Nintendo Switch has the latest firmware updates. Recent updates have specifically addressed docking issues and improved compatibility. If problems started after using a third-party dock, revert to the official Nintendo dock immediately. Third-party docks have caused increased compatibility issues and can damage your system. Prevention is key to avoiding dock issues. Following these guidelines can prevent most blinking light problems from occurring. Always use Nintendo-certified power adapters. Third-party chargers can provide incorrect voltage and damage your dock's power management system. Regularly clean your dock connectors using compressed air. Dust and debris can interfere with proper connections and cause intermittent issues. Practice proper cable management to prevent stress on connections. Bent or damaged cables are a leading cause of dock failures. Finally, avoid extreme temperature and high humidity environments. These conditions can cause corrosion and component failures, as shown in this example of a corroded HDMI port. Following these advanced troubleshooting steps and prevention strategies will help you resolve most dock issues and prevent future problems with your Nintendo Switch.